So friends, welcome to my channel. If you guys having this problem in your Instagram when you log in, please wait a few minutes before you try again. So guys, watch this video till end because I'm showing in this video the solution of this problem. So guys, watch this video till end and do like and subscribe our channel. So guys, just long press on your Instagram application. So go to app info. Before this, you remember your ID and password. So guys, you remember your ID and password first, and click on clear data. After click on clear data, you can clear cache, and after clear cache, you go to clear all data. So guys, after this, your Instagram is refreshed, and you go to your Instagram application and log in with your account, and just wait for some time. Your problem is automatically fixed by Instagram within a few minutes or a few hours. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.